Hello! Hello! And yes, Vecherka, you're early! Hello! You just missed like 1 or 1.5 hours of streaming, so yeah, that's relatively early for you, I think. I just took a small break and started the stream again. How is everybody? How are you doing this magnificent Saturday night? Hey Nichrome, hey Lena Keys. How's it going? So yeah, I don't know if you saw my tweet, but or the description of this stream, but in case you've seen a lot of foil cards in your Twitter timeline, that's because we have this challenge right now on my Discord channel, where people are making awesome foil cards with shaders, and that's cool. And I got jealous, I'm not gonna lie. So I wanted to try and make some myself. I'm going to say try because, okay, I'm familiar with like gradient map stuff and view direction stuff and parallax and glitter and all that stuff, but I never actually put all those together to make something like a foil effect on a trading card. So I'm not sure if it will work out. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Maybe you will see me fail spectacularly. Oh, hello, Vexed Programmer. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I've loaded up my Shader Lab project because this is going to be a shader experiment. Though I was kinda between this and the VFX Lab project because it's kinda like VFXy as well. But yeah, this is where the lines get blurred, I guess. Whatever, we'll just stay in this project. I have all the VFX essential stuff here either way. I think I have post-processing, which is like the most important. Yeah, I do. So yeah, I'm not also quite sure what the effect will look like, if it's going to have like parallax, glitter and colors, and I don't know. So I'll just start and see what looks good, I guess. So yeah. Alright, so I don't even know what the card is going to be like, so I just do my work on a quad for now, and we'll see later if I'm going to replace that. And I'm going to actually remove the sky like completely and have a totally black background to make it cool and mysterious. Thanks for the follow, Sebastic70. So this, and maybe make it a bit like a card. That's a tall card. So maybe like 6. Yeah, that's a card, alright. Camera should go 0. Alright. There's our card. Fantastic. Cool. Okay, the whole thing is going to be in one shader, and it's going to be an unlit shader at that as well. So let's see. It's going to be called foil card shader. Gonna make a material foil card. Alright, and yeah, just give it the shader. Alright. Oh ho, hello Renzi. How's it going? What? Do I have the... No. So here's the thing. Because for some reason at work, I'm not sure, I think it's a .NET thing. We don't have the 4x or something. Either way, I can't get IntelliSense to work with VS Code. So every time I open the work project, I have to switch to Visual Studio 2019, and I hate it. But what to do? Like, there are some actual cases where trying to fit two like editor windows and editor tabs in Visual Studio side by side, it just crashes. Well, thanks, Rensei. I'm not sure how it will turn out though, so try to, you know, keep your expectations low, I guess. Let's see. Let's see. I don't even know what to start with, you know. Alright, I guess, hey Cyan, I guess view direction and a gradient map is a good way to go for starters, so gradient map. Alright, and getting the view direction. I mean, just going to put it on 1, I don't need the fog. And yeah, and the view direction is going to be just wall space view direction. That takes object space vertex. Okay. See, this is the work of that plugin I mentioned, the shader lab snippets thing, and I'm so thankful for that because I never remember like all that. And you can find out, yeah, like you can find some methods that you know didn't even know existed. Or like view. Why is that different from this? Anyway. Alright, I'm going to output the view direction just for the lulz. I'm going to call it view dir. Ain't nobody got time to write all that. Ah, yes, perfection. Okay, why not make it fix 4? Ah, perfect. Alright. I guess the whole foil effect comes from like increasing angles, so I guess a dot product is in order here. So saturate that, and I normalize. I always tend to normalize the view direction when using it on a dot product. I'm not. I guess it usually is normalized. Hold on. View dir. Alright. I'm very curious. I think I'm going to get sued by MAP or something, but I want to try something. No, that's actually kinda right, I guess. I mean, I'm not in love with a circular thing. I'd prefer it if it was like horizontal, but I guess I can mask that out. Okay, so I don't want it to be a fractal, I want it to be a sine. Sorry about that. Yeah, I did not expect it to look so Looney Tuny, but yeah. I'm going to keep that separately because I wanna do stuff to it. So dot product. Okay, I basically want it to be more visible at grazing angles. So I'm multiplying with the dot product again. Okay, I'm going to try and add like the gradient map, maybe. What called this thing? Sampling val, I guess. It doesn't matter, just sampling val will do. Alright, and let's try and add a gradient thingy. Yeah, no, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Okay, I'm not in love with this thing. Actually, I'll bring over a nicer gradient. Give me a sec. Alright. So I don't know if you know, Alan Zucconi has a cool series of posts on, you know, how the light works and all that stuff. I ain't gonna like generate this thing with the code and all that. I just saved this image as a gradient ramp, but it's quite interesting, so maybe you can check it out. I'm gonna drop the link. And yeah, I think I called it, yeah, visible spectrum. I mean, yeah, it's something interesting, I guess. Oh, hey, Meats! Okay, I don't like this infinite tunnel sort of thing, though. I want to find a more straightforward way to actually do this. Thanks, mates. I don't agree currently. I don't like it. I don't like the rings and stuff. Yeah, people like the foil cards. So I guess it's not a dot product. I'm gonna try and see, you know, how it looks with one axis of the view direction. Now this I think I can get behind. Okay, so if I use this instead of this nonsense. Yeah, now we're cooking. Alright, maybe that's a bit intense. And screw the dot product for now, just to be able to see what we're doing. Whoa. Thanks for the follow, Luak Games. Yeah, I might actually need the dot product. I'm gonna try and power this thing. Maybe that's intense. Okay. I guess that's something. I'm gonna lerp it between the call and yeah. Wait, how to lerp it? You know what? Just add it. Just add the thing. It's alright. I don't know. Get a weird color thing. Yeah, no. No, I'm gonna lerp it. So maybe with the for now. Yeah, that looks good. Gonna try some random noise things. Yeah, I guess. Not sure what I'm doing. I think that's obvious. Yeah, for some reason I have a lot of trouble wrapping my head around that stuff, like view directions and Fresnels and gradient maps, and making something look cool with these. So I'm trying to find some references right now. Okay, gonna try something else. I'm actually going to try... Oh, that looks tricky. I'm actually going to try not using the view direction, maybe still using a dot product, but using some noise, or I don't know. Alright, so this is our dot product with the card and all that stuff. Okay, so out of curiosity, what would happen if I did this? So I just added the value of the main texture, which happens to be this noise for now. I added it to the view direction, and I'm digging this. So let's see how. Alright. So if I add something weird. Yeah, that's weird, you know. Cool. And also, I can actually multiply that. So now I only get it on the added things. Yeah, okay, this is... I'm happier with this. Let's see. That's a cool thing. And another cool thing is that I can actually have a I was thinking I could have a separate mask and displacement noise, and I also thought that I could let's say screw that. What would happen if I actually displaced the texture in 2 axes? So the view direction, sorry. I don't like this. That's a cool thing though, I'm going to take advantage of that. Not like this, Jesus. Okay, keep it. Wait, why did it hold up? If I do this... Alright. Yeah, I'm probably going to keep the Voronoi pattern, and I'm actually going to try and do some freaky stuff with it. So yeah. Yeah, okay, I like now where this is going, and if I do this... Alright. Oh, not so much, maybe like this. Cool. And yeah, I can just multiply the thing with Ctrl X and get something interesting. Alright, though I do want the mask to be separate from the view direction displacement thingy. So two more maps. I'm actually going to use a displacement, or apparently doesn't matter if it's in 2 dimensions, so it's just going to be like a noise, just noise. And I'm going to need a separate mask, so foil mask. Alright. So yeah, since I have a separate thing for the view direction displacement, I'm going to add the number to basically adjust the displacement. So view direction displacement. Alright. Yeah. I'm also going to, now it was just adding like from 0 to 1, going to make it go from -1 to 1, so it goes both directions. So yeah, just flow. I guess. Going to be the HTTP noise. I'm going to add the scale and offset stuff later. And this is going to go like this, and going to be multiplied by this. I'm going to regret not decoupling all that stuff, but yeah, whatever. Screw that. I'm just going to displace in one using one value, and this is actually going to use the mask, which mask is going to be flossed. Okay. Yeah, I don't care about that. So let's see if I add this and like really push it. So if I use it as the mask. Thanks for the follow, Motionots Gaming. Okay, this is something. Alright, so let's make things weird. I'm going to call it, I don't know, foil noise. I think Substance already has like a yeah, that's what I want. I mean, that's pretty much ready already, but I'm also going to try some stuff out. Okay. Drawing a blank, flood fill. Oh god, hold up. What does it need? No. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now we're talking. Well, let's fill to random color. Okay, so basically I just want a random color from this. I think I'm being stupid right now, and I can just use this already. And will this give me a better flood to think? Oh, it's the same thing. Well, it's okay. It's okay, I don't mind. Yeah, just screw that. Does it also have random alpha? Because that's just weird. G, B, A, yeah, I don't want this A though. I want this A. Okay. I would like to get rid of the lines though. I feel I'm doing a lot of wrong things right now. Like this. What's this? Will this work better? Damn. Okay, Floodfield hates this. Yeah, he hates it. Okay. Is there a way to convert this to a random color? There should be. No, apparently I still need to do the whole shtick here. Oh god. Substance designer is so useful but so weird too. Okay, so if I go edge detect again and use this for the flood fill. Okay, so I get these random colors that correspond to these cells, and that's cool. I basically now want to remove the this edge here. I think there was a distance thingy. Like if I did this and this. Holy shit, that worked. Damn. Alright, this is perfection. This is awesome. Okay, so what are we going to do with this? I'm going to use this as a random basically right now I'm getting the dot product between the view direction, you know, normally, and the normal of the card or the quad, right? which is always going to be like a vector pointing, like if this is the quad, it's going to be like, you know, vertically, perpendicularly to the, you know, to the quad. But if instead of using the normal vector of the quad, I use like a bunch of random vectors, then I will get some interesting random values. And what do I need this for? You'll see, if it all goes as planned. So let's see. So I might end up actually not using the displacement thing, or maybe using that too, I don't know. Maybe I will use it with this, I don't know. Anyway. So this is going to be like cells colored cells within cells interlinked cells. Okay, the only problem I have with Substance Designer is like, I don't know if it's probably fixed in later editions, but whatever, but when I duplicate a node, it still has the previous node selected, and I always like go and change stuff there only to realize that I changed the original node. So yeah, but that's such a small thing for such an awesome tool. Yeah, alright, let's export things. Alright, so I don't care about that. Just, yeah. Alright, so might not even use what I have now, which is sad, but whatever. That's life. Okay, let's go. First I'm gonna try with a random direction thing. My Twitter is not working on desktop today. It's weird. I don't know if you have any issues with it today as well. Okay, so dot product is this, so XYZ, I don't care. Gonna normalize that here. So just to see the difference, right? So right now it looks like this. Going to add the random directions as well, so that you see the change immediately. Alright, so right now it looks like this. Cool. And you know what, if I actually use the same thing as a mask, yeah, we have this, but it's still uniform, right? I mean, okay, the U direction gets offset and all that, but it's still like uniform. There's like the circle and all that. But if I do it like this with the random directions now, yeah. So you can see, if I see one, it's getting a bit harder to find good directions, and apparently if I go like all the way here it doesn't work. But you know, the whole thing with them changing is pretty interesting. Like, they don't all come out at once. Let's see, one way to maybe fix that could be to try what I did before, kinda without the negative numbers. Or actually I could use the random directions to offset the actual normal. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool. It's all glittery. How would it look on the sphere though, without with a uniform scale? Yeah, that's fun. Yeah. Alright, there's something there. Okay, so the one thing I wanted to do now is that, okay, this is looking cool and funky, as some people like the Berserker would say, but the thing is, you can still tell that this whole thing is on the surface of the quad, and that's boring. Like, one plane is boring. I mean, we're in 3 dimensions, we can do better than that. So this is where this comes in, for the purpose I initially wanted at least. So I would want to basically use the tangent space view direction to push these cells towards different offsets, right? Using this noise as a guide. Does that make sense? Maybe. So let's see, sorry about that. I want to check out this view direction in tangent space thing, because obviously I don't remember it by heart. Let's see. Okay, so ignore that. I just want these. Oh yeah. Got some nice music playing. Some nice copyright-free music. Okay. View their tangent. Yeah, okay. Let's add this bad boy in there. I'm going to need the tangent for this. Tangent. Tangent again. Let's see if this breaks. Of course it breaks. Of course it breaks. Yeah, because this is a float 4. And this is a float 4. And I am a float foil? What is your problem? Oh no, that was actually a float tree. Yeah. Alright. So let's see, first of all, let's just make sure that you know, the tangent space view direction works. Okay, so let's return this tangent to the tangent and make sure it's fixed form. All right. Yeah, that's cool looking. So already we can play around a little bit with this, and actually right in the eye.uv we can just drop a little bit of view direction tangent to see how that looks. Alright, you can already see that it's, especially there it's more visible, but you can already tell that there is some funkiness going on, that, you know, it's offset like a little bit behind the card. But we can do better. Whoa. We can do better. So I'm gonna first add, I'm gonna first add an offset, parallax offset. Float, gonna leave it to 0, gonna bring it over here. And now, I have the noise. Where is the noise? I mean, the mask is going to change, we want to keep that mask. Something well, random added product. Am I blind? Where's the noise? Oh, it's the display one. Yeah, whatever. I'm going to get the noise first. So bring that here and then use it. I don't care. Or you know what? I do care. I do care. Just do it again. But this time, eye.uv is going to have some view direction tangent multiplied by the noise multiplied by the parallax offset. Alright, so this looks right as it was looking before, right? But if I push this now, oh, things are getting funky. I like it. It's also a fun thing to push that on the negatives, and it pushes in the front as if it's coming towards you. Which it can't really. Let me remove the mask to maybe see stuff better. Like this, the illusion of things getting in front breaks because you can see the edges of the card. But if that was like really big and you couldn't see the edges and where the effect stopped, this is a very bad example. But in other cases, it would seem as if it comes on the front. Yeah, maybe now it's a bit excessive. So yeah, I'm going to add this back. but I'm going to step it. Step. I'm gonna add the threshold. Mask threshold, gonna call it. And instead of just multiplying with the mask, I'm going to multiply with a step, mask threshold, and the mask. So there are things happening, I guess. Is the mask? I mean, it should. Should the mask be in, like, take the offset? Wait, what isn't taking the offset? I mean, some stuff are still on the surface. And the more you push it, by the way, you get like an infinite tunnel kind of thing. It's really cool. But I want to know why this doesn't care. I mean, maybe something like this is also enough. I mean, I don't want it to be excessive, because with the parallax and all that, it can get noisy. And I mean, do keep in mind that we'll also have like other elements on the card. So if I actually, instead of just returning this, now I can lerp between the color, this, and using the mask. Cool. So now I could have anything, like, what's that? Oh, I know what that is. Don't pay attention to that. Yeah, like any kind of texture, and it will have the foil sprinkles on it. And actually we can use a bunch of weird textures for the noise. So if I don't use the cells here and use maybe, I don't know, I'm still using the random directions, and that's why it still looks like that. That's a neat effect. Yeah, I kinda dig this. Can I use the same thing for the mask? That doesn't make a lot of sense for the mask, I guess. Wait, no, I don't want to change the mask, sorry. I want to change this. That's funky. Now that's funky. You can see how this texture here really affects the parallax. And it's like it's really 3D. Yeah, exactly. It's a little more subtle. This is not. Oh, thanks for the follow, Sam Smacks.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast.
So yeah, that's interesting. Not quite sure how to mask this thing now though. If I use this, will it be better? And if I stop with a threshold and use the mask as is. Yeah, I think so. Ooh, if I use that for the noise. Oops. Yeah, I'm just going to use that like outside the card. So yeah. Oh, be right back. Give me a sec. Every time. Okay, and the Mac. Alright. So let's make the rest of the card, I guess. Let's see how that would go though. I'm not even sure again what I'm going to put behind, but you know, I'm going to probably do the whole stencil thing because it's so hype right now. Also, I want to try maybe different gradient maps. Maybe they would look good. I mean, the one I had was truer to the concept of like foil. Oh, that's cool. that's cool. Yeah, but I'm gonna keep it like before because it's more accurate, I guess. Oh, this is going to be quite messy though. A little displacement, a little offset as a treat. Use this again. Come on. And I think I'm going back to the previous one because it was cleaner. Why is this though? Okay. If that's like this, no. Or if that's like this, then this should be also like this, I guess. Trying to find out why it looks so noisy. Oh well, whatever. Should I maybe...
Everything changes.
Yeah, it's cool. I think I can spend the rest of the stream like rotating this quad around. Oh well, I should probably do something else then. Like add the rest of the card elements. Let's see. I'm not good with graphic design kind of stuff, so I'm not sure how that card should look like. Well, let's start with making like a Blender card, I guess. Again with a full screen Blender, every time. Alright. That has the right dimensions. Yeah. Alright. Okay, I guess I'm going with the standard card thing. But first I need to have my round edges. Nice. Alright, and you know what, I'm going to make it have like an edgy look, so all this. So yeah, this is where whatever I have behind the card will be. Yeah. I mean, it's not very practical again, but you know, maybe I can have like stats here and cost here, and I don't know. I know that this will have to be rounded again. And this. Yeah. Sure. Sure, I guess that's a card, I guess. This. Actually, yeah, this makes more sense. Shader. Shader assets. And card. Just card one. Okay, now we can delete this, and let's see it in action. Foil card. Alright, I'm going to add a color because I hate that white. And also, you know what, I'm going to add a color, an HDR color for the foil thing because I'm going to add bloom and I want it to be glowy. So let's see. So this multiplied by color and this multiplied by foil color. Fantastic. Fantastic. Alright. Oh, haven't saved the scene. Foil card, I guess. I want to see it glow. Alright. Yes. Yes. That's the stuff. Oh my god, yes. Alright, I actually had an idea for what to put behind. And I think it could look cool. It's going to be a sphere. But I have more plans for this humble sphere. Firstly, it's going to be called the Orb. Also, I realized that there was no point in scaling the card so big. Whatever. Like, this is a 4 by 6 meters card. It's like huge. I definitely couldn't put it in my wallet. Yeah, and Cyan, I'm going to just add the sphere. Like, I'm not going any really cool route with this, but I am going to add my cell shading. I don't know if you remember when I promoted like the cell shading tutorial and I had like a sphere and it looked kinda cool, but it was just like a sphere. It's going to be this thing. So let's see. Which one is it now? Is it this one? Or, you know what, going to bring this here as well. And I had some cool normals from some package. I think it was Unity's VFX package, and it had some cool little normal maps. If I can find where it is. No. Here. No. No. Where is it? Show something. Oh, don't make me open the project. It takes an hour to open. Well, not an hour, but it's so slow. Oh, packages. Yeah. Yes, okay. Yeah, I think I've got it from here. Let's see. Okay. Almost. Yeah, that's the stuff. Found it. It's like the best normal map I have ever found. I'll show you in a second. Okay, so gonna make a material. Gonna call it orb. Gonna put it there. So I was talking about this normal map. It's from Unity's VFX package, and I think it's from the stone. Yeah, for testing the stone impacts and all that. But it's, I don't know, I really like it because it's also kind of like stylized, and yeah, I don't know, it just writes well. And yeah, now I have two options to go with this. I could use the cell shading tutorial. No, wrong thing. The cell shading shader that I've used on my tutorial. It's this one, yeah. And it looked kind of cool, I think. So if I remember how I set it up, I also had some specular for sure. And definitely some rim. Yeah. I'm using all the bloom right now. So yeah, it could be this, for example, something like that. The orb. Or there's also the thin film iridescence shader. Which can look kinda bitchin', not gonna lie. So I think if I increase that, I can't remember how this thing works. I mean, I don't really understand how this works. I basically just found a shader, a ready-made shader, and brought it into Unity. Like, that was the whole process. Yeah, and I'm gonna go with the cell shading. Never mind. Yeah, just a single sphere. Just yeah, it's a fun look. I'm probably going to name this the Orb of Cell. Get it? Because it's cell shaded. So funny. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, the card name is going to also be like Orb of Cell, I guess. I'm probably going to add a bunch of stuff behind it, maybe too. Either way, let's get to the important stuff. Stencil. Alright, let's get the mask going on here. No, come on, yeah. Tiny bit, yeah. Alright. I can never remember what the correct stencil terms are. I always end up copying them from my own tutorial, which is, by the way, like 4 years old now. God damn it, I'm old. So yeah, stencil mask, this is just going to be color mask 0 yeah, just all the things. Fantastic. Oh, forgot the reference number. Alright, and now for the disappearing act. Just gonna to throw that in here. Yes, I know that's the wrong place, I know. Yeah. Ta-da! Almost got it. Yeah, it's because I have a wrong reference number. Ta-da! There we go. Ooh. I'm just now realizing that this foil shader would look amazing as a dress. Look how sparkly. Oh, now I have to design the actual card. Damn. Okay. Yes, import all that stuff. You know what? I'm going to mess around with TextMesh Pro shader to also give that a bit of like foil effect. So let's see. Do I have any cool fonts lying around? Probably not. The size just that's annoying. Why is the pivot there? It's annoying. Anyway. And yeah, let's mess around with the TextMesh Pro shader. Let's see. So this is using the mobile distance field. I'm just going to select it. Thank you. Yeah, with blind. And let's play around. Oh, it has a custom editor now. Huh. I can't really remember what it is I did before that I liked. I think I just got the view direction. Oh my god! Oh my god, I got subscription, oh my god, thank you so much Rastazilla. This gives me the opportunity to actually fix the latest sub text, because since I didn't have anyone, you know, I couldn't resize it. So oh, I actually don't. How does that work? Okay, I don't need this. It's not updating. Oh, well. Why doesn't it let me update? I guess maybe because it's running. Anyway, yeah, I'll check it out later. But thanks so much for the subscription. Let's see. I was getting that. And oh yeah, it was just a dot product, right? Do these things have normals? Oh, they do. Yeah, I'm gonna get them too. They're free. We're up to text code 6. How is it called? I guess input. Yeah, it's called input for you. And you, there goes view, the what space view there. Oh, I'm glad you learned a lot from my videos. I mean, I haven't shown too much in my videos, to be honest. Also, it goes without saying that, you know, if at any point anybody wants like a impromptu shader lesson via stream or something, you know, we can arrange that. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I want the object space position, which is called input.vertex. Yes. Okay, let's see. Oh, I gotta change the name. This is stream point. Gonna call it. Still rendering, so that's something. I'm not going to use any of that, so I am going to break the custom editor. Whoops. Oh, fantastic. Okay. I don't care about all that, so I just want my color, the spectrum. Nice. Okay. And let's see. Equals no, dot. Let's saturate it. Is it called input? Yeah, normal. And normalize with the input view there. Get this. Oh no, I ended up not using the dot product. I just did it with the view direction, right? Yeah. So just I guess return the gradient map sampled with view input view here.x, whatever. I mean, seriously, whatever. Yeah, kinda. But I guess multiplied by the alpha. Yeah. Yeah, but let's actually get the dot product and make it a little more subtle. And this is just going to be added on top, but it's going to be multiplied by the dot product as well, so maybe that's not necessary. How does that look? Nope, it is necessary. Saturate that, input normal, normalize the view direction, input there. Why are you not doing the thing? Do the thing! Also, I probably want one line instead. Yeah. Okay, but I want to add it to the thing. Why can't I add it to the thing? Like, I'm just returning C. What if C was... Okay, if it's darker it works. Thanks for the follow, Tuber Sumo. Yeah, I'm not getting... Because it's white already and it's... it should work with HDR stuff, no? Okay, then I guess nerf it. Yeah, just use the dot product for that. Yeah, there is a hint. Whoa, that should be child. I mean, here it's better. Oh, I'm going to be a bit naughty, by the way. Yeah, okay, that's looking good. Why can't it look good here as well? Oh, that's a fun thing that happens with TextMesh Pro. Call that thing. Call it, damn it. No, 2? Yeah, 2. 2 is cool. Alright. What else to add in there? Well, the back of the card would be nice. Um, just going to be like this thing without the hole. I know. I mean, no, I won't be able to live with myself. Back. Now I lost all my changes and stuff, but it will be okay, I guess. Huh. That's an unfortunate thing. Let's get rid of this pesky Zedrite. Oh no, that wasn't it. Okay. Why then? Oh, is it because... Yeah, no, it's not because of the Zedrite, it's because of the shadows. Since this thing is meant to cast shadows, yeah. Oh, I haven't selected the thing. The orb. No. I mean, it has to do with the shadows probably, but if I force it not to cast shadows, then it doesn't write to the depth buffer and it's not being annoying. So yeah. Right, what else? I mean, I could add maybe some outline. I'm regretting eating the TextMesh Pro custom editor, but it's okay. I mean, we can so fake it, or like not fake it, but like hack it, or not even that, just be obnoxious. Like if the person that wrote this shader saw me right now, they probably hate me. Whoops. There we go. Yeah, give it back. Get it right. I need to find a cool font for this. Google Fonts, save me. that's a cool looking. Yeah, dig this. Huh. Found a nice one. I actually searched for like old in Google Fonts and found one that's called Oldenburg. It kinda looks cool, so I consider that a win. You see it in a bit. Let me go. Whoop, wrong thing. Window, text message, font. Oldenburg. Generate. Save. Yeah. And put that in there. Yep. Yeah. Whoops. Oh yeah, I need to set the... Where is it? Color mode to 2. I also need to think what I'm going to do for the back of the card. Let's see. Probably gonna have the same material, but like have some fancy stuff in there. Old card back. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Maybe different noise. That was weird. Is it me or is this not centered? Yeah, it's very not centered. Very much. I mean, we will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals, I guess. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah. I'm just messing with Texas for now. Oh, that's cool. The way they make bold the text bolder is by basically changing the threshold of the SDF. That's cool. Okay, there's probably much more that I need to do here. Should probably make a proper like border for the card, maybe. Gonna try and do that then, I guess. And what time is it? It's 11 already. No. Yeah, just export this. Export. Oh, I think they put it so. Oh no, I'm just stupid. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, probably won't be finishing Face on stream. Hopefully I will find some time to finish it soon though and upload it. But I'm happy with the progress. Now if I add the different gradient, will it look cool? Like a really colorful one. Damn it. Maybe this. That's a fun one. There we go. Thank you. What am I thinking to add? Well, for once maybe... Yeah, I mean, I just try to differentiate it from the simple rectangle. Yeah, maybe definitely add borders and make this more interesting than a solid color with a glitter. And maybe think of something to put also along with the orb. I could add maybe, you know what, could look cool if it had a ground. Maybe I can add this right now. Oh, I don't have a lot of textures here. Anyway, yeah, but maybe something, you know, to complete this scene, I guess. It's these days are a bit busy, so I hope I can actually make them finish it. I also wanted to add like this scene thing that a lot of you have added in your cards, and it's one of the weird things that I have no idea how to do unless I play around with it and actually do it. Or, I mean, it's probably just a UV thing traveling, right? I mean, I'm going to add this now. I'm going to add this. Jesus. No, what am I doing? Jesus. Oh, I turn this off. Right. Maybe invert this. That doesn't make sense. It's a sine wave.